Tele gwenge ma kaunti ma Kisumu dhi Mombasa meli maradhai midendo ni MV Kotka man kod bor ma mita 318 Mombasa ma okoni timore kalure gi chenro ma wadno osebedo katimo mar medo yare mondo mi meli madongo oyud thuolo mar go kanyo.
It has come to sweep empties and full containers. She is going to load 5,877 containers. That's a big volume because the size of the ship tells it all. The ship is 318 meters, the longest we have ever received in this port. She's drawing a draft of 9.3 meters because she came like in a ballast leg to come just to load containers from the port of Mombasa. The port is going to handle more volumes than ever before in a parcel size of a ship. In one call, we are going to handle 5,877 containers. This is revenues for the port.
Ramogi ko weche mag ohala wadhi weche mag yiero